welcome. Yes, started to share. Muze, I see you. Delta. Nelson. Izuchukwu, I see you. Akachuku. Ah, Olichosumoke, 1,000 stars. 1,000 stars. Ha, Max Obin and Jaka. I see you. Brown Daniel. I did fine. My people, make on a here on a daddy in the Lord. Oh. Ha, I don't get ginger. Bye now, the can I see you. Charlie Troy. Happy Sunday to you, Jennifer. My people, I want to play this voice note. Okay, Muzo Sita, okay, Jackson Bush, if I name is okay, mother. Now, let me let you talking about daddy. Let me block one also. They don't come with their umuozu. In follow the chukan for your toto abi instead they fuck you. Ikenna mbata abu otene. Kenneth Agen, I see you. My people, hear the voice note. This thing now, their message for church today. Them know the shame. Now their message for church today. Hear this man and him people. Let me play it.
Polaris Bank. Polaris Bank wounding your statements of account. Our beloved daddy. Statement of account. Living Christ mission. Statement of account. Hezekiah University account. Salary account. School fees account. Chupep account. Cooperative account. Any statement of account of all these accounts. One day. Oh, but my daddy and I like gave me here called it too public.
You see, they are talking about their daddy Hezekiah and the accusations they are laying on their pastor Chineneduru. Their pastor, mind you, this person is not a traditionalist. Okay? The only dog we have in this fight is people's children that is touching anyhow. Finish. We have no problem with all the mumu there that don't want to wake up and reason with their heads. I'm going to share this in our WhatsApp groups. Don't worry. I don't care about them. I care about these people, these guys molesting. Charlie Troy, thanks for the 200 stars. I see you. The children this guy is molesting. The molestation that has gone in that church for 4 decades, 4 whole decades. Now, they said, Polaris Bank, where that Pastor Chineneduru works, that Polaris Bank told them, gave them all the statements of accounts about their daddy, the church account, the school account, the school salary account, and the school fees account. There are 2 different accounts. Then their daddy private account. Just make on hear how much we didn't go mention. Let's assume he is calling the right amount. Here, you know, these people are the best documentarians of their crimes. This man does not have a wife. This is not his wife. He is the one he anointed the Queen of Heaven in their church. Okay? He is the one they anointed the Queen of... Who they do this nonsense? Sorry. Can you hear me? Guys, please hit the like button and share the video. Like and share the video. Hit the like button and share the video, please. They are attacking this video. Which kind of nonsense be this thing now? Hold on, guys. I'm coming. And share the video. I don't know the type of distraction this is. Hit the like button and share the video, please. Like and share, like and share, like and share. This is hanging. Or should we come back in the morning? Because I don't understand this evening network. Should we come back in the morning? This is just too restaurant for me. The connection and all these attacks. Please hit the like button and share the video. Comment positively. If not, this is going to go down. All right? It's going to go down. There is no 2 ways about it. It will go down. I'm coming. I'm coming, 1 minute. Share the video. They are attacking this stream. They are attacking the stream. Like, you see, they are attacking the stream. I can barely see it with another this thing. Okay. So let me restart because of that unnecessary distraction. I greet you all. Valentine, thanks for the 100 stars. Let me restart the voice note. I'm trying to restart the voice note. 1 minute. Valentine, thanks for 150 stars there. Okay. So now, let me start afresh with what their daddy Hezekiah, and the worst thing is brainwash. This man, according to people that know him, when he started this fingering of children, was at Inland Girls as their math teacher. He was their math teacher then and posted there under the NYSC program. From then, this man just started molesting children, touching them anyhow. But here the type of lies they are vomiting. This Emeka Agwu is his, people don't know the meaning of public relations. They say public relations officer. He is the propaganda officer. After the Second World War, due to the bad name, the people, the taxi hailers of Germany, you know what I mean now? Those of us where they hate taxi for Germany, blessed of you, be aware. And I heard it to me say, you know the people I'm talking about. At least our brother Max in Jacobina knows the people. They are supporting them in Ukraine. Those people that are hailing tax. It was because of the bad reputation they gave to that nomenclature that made them switch. That made them switch it to public relations. So whenever you hear someone operating as someone's public relations officer, yes, in language, that one. Whenever you hear that someone is another person's public relations officer, that is his damage control officer. Okay? Brandonel, go and change your phone, restart your phone. That person is the person's discharging officer. You know, say for wash, I see you, my sister. Thank you, my sister, Samira. If you know in wash, any place they are doing 419, there are two people that are bottom feeders. One are the catchers. Okay? The catchers and the dischargers. Is always they are the people with the least share of the deal. But sometimes the people where they say make they discharge people, then go end up trying to convert that person to a mugu under another format. All right. Now, the catchers, if they use this set, this group to catch you, they will use another group to discharge you. So this Emeka Agwu is the discharging man for this their Hezekiah. Okay? He is the discharge man for this their Hezekiah. Now, I will try not to stop you, but for the benefit of those that are not understanding Igbo and the bad poor network, as a result, maybe I will stop announcing any program on him when I want to do it, so their church members don't go get prepared. Now, hear what's going on.
Polaris Bank. Polaris Bank will generate statements of account. Our beloved daddy. Statement of account. Living Christ mission. Statement of account. Hezekiah University account. Salary account. School fees account. Chupeb account. cooperative account.
They even get cooperative account.
A statement of account of all these accounts. One day, oh, but my daddy and I like gave me here called it too public.
They are talking that they check all of the accounts, and now he said, oh, their daddy doesn't like to make his things to be public. Who go they do pedo for outside where people go see him? There is a reason he was telling those children, oh, don't tell anybody. Don't tell your parents. Okay? There's a reason they were telling everybody, oh, don't tell anybody. Don't tell your parents. Don't tell your other members of your gang. Don't go and do this one. Don't go and do that one. There is a reason they are doing it. There is a good reason they are doing it. Because criminals will not want you to know what they are doing. If that man is innocent, let him come out and say that he will not arrest any of these girls. If they know they are saying the truth, let them come out. Anyway, there are things I don't want to reveal about this man. Okay? There are things I will not be revealing about him yet. So many things that he is going to hear this voice from a louder microphone. You see Nigeria, see this Nigeria you are seeing. Especially those of you that are Christians that have not been understanding what we'll be saying. Tomorrow will change your entire life. You will be shaking to your bone marrows. Remember what I told you people in 2020? I said, after this thing, it will be awakening after awakening, awakening after awakening, awakening after, no matter how they try to suppress it. That people, evil people are going to suffer, and this is what you're seeing. After tomorrow, they are going to see more. Let's continue.
What Chinenye do Polaris Bank? Ofu savings account and cause all fixed deposit. Fixed deposit account. I'm not blocked at the amount. But all they are above 10 billion. As long as 10 billion. 10 B.
Them say the money where Chinenye do thief from their church, say it go past 10 billion. Just let that hit you for a moment. Monday, I see you. Let that hit you for a moment. Try and digest that figure. He just mentioned 10 billion. How many rich men have 10 billion in liquidity? But this criminal that doesn't want the things of the world, you mean somebody will steal 10 billion from your account and you wouldn't know? They move at once. How they go, like, how wealthy do you need to be that someone will steal your 10 billion? Mind you, Chinenye is not here. Mind you, Chinenye is not here to defend himself. You are just hearing from the liars. The same liars that have been breaking up people's families. The same liars that have been touching people's children inappropriately. The same liars that are covering up the atrocities of this their daddy. The same group of people are the people they are telling us. They are the people, you know, that are telling us what Chinenye Duru did. They are the people that are really gonna tell us what Chinenye Duru did. 10 billion. And they are not taxing them. No tax. Guys, please hit the like button and share the video. They don't report this thing again. They don't report this. 10 billion. This is according to them. From one account or two accounts, fixed deposit and savings. They never go for their daddy own. How many billion that thing they so the person go thief 10 billion on a no. Olulo Timi don't say he doesn't have a numerical understanding. Let me explain to you. These people, they get their musical group, nobody plays that instrument, no group. No matter how you try, it may be like the Living Christ Mission, it will never be like the Living Christ Mission. These people are harnessing people's talent. When you are talking about Ogwego, it's in that church because they will strip you of your fruitful age. They will suck you like turkey bone, even chicken, goat own. Everything, your talent, they will suck it. There is no blood money bigger than this thing these people are doing. Quote me anywhere. Guys, please hit the like button and share the video. Quote me anywhere. Now me they tell you. 10 billion naira, 10 billion, I'm coming.
10 billion. 10 billion.
You see how he's brainwashing them. Umuchuku, children of God. The same language you were hearing in the IPOB BSN. Umuchuku, oh, you are the children of God. Because they will make you believe that if you leave the church, you are going to hellfire. You see the brainwash. Umuchuku, like the bingoism. Only thing missing there is Fulani herdsmen and Buhari left here. Finish. And you will hear as the responding as sheep. You'll be hearing their voice now. You know, say, if you they brainwash people, if you tell them, go like make you hear their response because you don't know what who keep quiet. They think. Now he made some of them sometimes they go tell you, our brother, stand up. Go to the all of them go stand up. Look at your neighbor, screaming to his face, neighbor. You will shout, neighbor, neighbor. Look by your left. Okoko, you will look. Turn right. Zombie. Go front. Go back. Tell your neighbor today is your day. Today is your day. Kewe jinja no. Ima na enwe ihe bi ila ya mmadụ dan o onwe ka o si nọrọ ikpere ya nọ na ya ọka aka ji emezu unu ka unu la ya ọfụma ka e wee were ya de unu ayọ ụmụ Chukwu. Now the brainwash. Guys, hit the like button and share the video, please. Support with your likes, support with your comments, and support with your shares. If we see stars, we go collect. I'm coming.
Even Kobo, particular account. Even culture, my people say they have like fake money. I'm hold on at that account.
You said they don't see money for that account.
They will fix deposit account. This again carry 10 billion.
You see, he said the other one. Charlie Troy, thanks for the 100 stars. He said the other one, they now 8 billion plus. Then the other one, the fixed deposit 10 billion. Now they don't see anything. Nobody people with me and then follow go. Why should we believe the witness of Umwe Berima that are actually aware of how this man they using finger put for children yash? The so-called man of God. With national award or merit award, national honors. MFR, motherfucking retard. Thank you, Olurotimi Joseph, for the 100 stars. Is it MFR? If not MFR, tell them mother effing retards. Now waiting they supposed to convert into and collect the first one from him. You dey hear him? Let's continue.
I did like a savings account.
Savings account. Oh. Umuchuku. Ay, Chine. You see, brave.
You will shed tears.
You will shed tears.
The very first day in school, Nata, when this account, Umuchuku, I shedded tears. So I'm not juju.
The first day, the very first day I saw the account, Umuchuku, I shedded tears. Tears were streaming from my eyes. Shebina me and Juju follow. Aju, why don't we ask a neutral person? An elite thief. Call send Derico. Make he come the defender. Deriko say make you go ask Shinarambo, Oshishi Kanku, and what be the Mondo Sumbo or Chiejine. Eh? Why are you telling us to ask Juju, somebody that is in the same clique making money from it? Do they want to close their own oil well? Do they want to close their own oil well? And you see the brainwash. Oh, I shedded tears when I saw, and you go see all those miserable people where they die. We are, oh, daddy, daddy. Now him make umozu, then go still send them come here. Then go to comment Ishi. Thank you, Ike Nambata for 99 stars. Then go come here, they comment Ishi. But I'm happy some of them we have managed to convert them. You know how it is now. Any criminal where we they expose, where some people may they come attack us. Before you know it, they go join the court. Then go join the court where then they teach you to think for yourself. No be this kind of court where they tell on and say, Ejege bread, they sleep for bed for an pastor. Maybe then go don't catch this man. I know talk say they catch him for bed with man, no. Where take light to them, but you know pass what he go do. Person where they tell you that say Holy Spirit say make he chook 2 fingers into their ash. What thing you know go tell? You will hear them admit that he raised the dead inside this like that, you know. You don't lie to smart people. There is a level your lie will get, you know. It begins to irritate them. The more you lie to them, the more you are setting yourself up for destruction because they are going to expose you. Okay? They are going to expose you. You will be freaking exposed. This is what is happening to this Onyoshi.
Shed them tears. Tears if they shed them last night. Chineyeduru were devil. Conscience.
You dey hear conscience. You dey hear for background. Say Chineyeduru is a devil. Chineyeduru doesn't have conscience. Does your daddy Hezekiah has conscience and was going to, you see the other video, I played the last 6 minutes. Now I'm going to play the first 10 minutes of that video. Person where they talk to person no get conscience. I will play the first 10 minutes of that yes daddy. Now I go count yes daddy tire. I want to be seeing the count of yes daddy as well as in the daddy. I want the general banner. I go back and no ebe nneje ka unu jecha je ticha ho na church unu tata ishi na unu eburi abia here agama abia migrate.
What have you done with 10 million? 20 million, 50 million.
You dey hear they shout, hey, they say he starts with 10 million, can't enter 20 million, can't enter 50 million. Wait! You saw 10 million left the account. You saw 10 million leave the account. You didn't say anything. After that, 20 billion left. After that, 50 million left. And you did not are you telling who? Remember the person they are laying this accusation on is not here to speak his own. The court has granted him bail. I don't know why police still the whole lot. They granted him bail on Friday. On Friday. He is not here yet to speak, to say to state his own side of the story. Now, are you going to take at face value the words of these criminals who lied to their church members that Doris Nwadike has passed on? In the Living Crisis Mission, has Doris Nwadike passed on? She don't buy her, but she's still there alive. Answer me. Doris Nwadike, she don't buy her, but she's still there alive. Let me know. Answer me. So why are you going to believe the words of those that told you Doris don't buy? Eh? How?
100 million. Then buy 200 million. In a month.
On 100 million. then come enter 200 million, all in a month. You see how he's indicting himself. You did not make report, he collected 100 million. You hear the church members shout, hey, let me go back. Just focus on the background noise. Ndi Igbo biam, torment here. Hear the background.
I shedded tears of Amuna Juju.
Amuna Juju.
I am Mirisim Naya poor. I shed them tears. Tears in the shadow, Asana. China Yeduru were devil. China Yeduru were conscience. Then this one my conscience. I'll be a bit with 10 million, 20 million, 50 million, 100 million. Then by 200 million in a month. In a month, Chinedu already with 600 million from that this account. 200.
He said in a month, Chinedu will take 600 million from their daddy's account. So your daddy doesn't know. Hold on. This your daddy can see spirits, talk with Ijele bread, and they can't sleep with her for bed, according to what he told you in the church. This your daddy sees Jesus, goes to heaven and talk. And he tells you people the only reason he comes back is because he doesn't want to leave Umuchukwu alone. And somehow he did not see it in spirit. He has his computer, he has his phone, he doesn't check his account, he doesn't see alert. Is that what you're telling me? What the hell was he doing all those while? Does this make sense? In the Living Crisis Mission, is either your dad, you know, Hezekiah sees or he doesn't see. Let's stop spamming my account, my video. Okay? Somebody said, I and my father worship in that church before. They really finished my mother with their never-ending offering. You see them? You see where then they pack the offerings they keep? You they see them? Ha ha!
200 million. Yeah. 200 million. Somebody's daddy with account na Polaris Bank or who company account. Personal account. Source of daddy with signatory to this account. You also with signatory to this account. And for the fact no source of daddy with signatory to the account, personal account in a bank. Even your account officer. On my right, he pull money from your account to another account. I wonder these people who
he say, Umuchuku, can somebody pull money from your personal account? My Telegram channel, you just go to Telegram, search for Ijele Speak. You see the Telegram channel there. You hear him? Umuchuku, can somebody take money from your personal account? No! Chorus no! Una ne chorus no. Keki Ishi mara na Chinenye duru wepuru unauthorized money from the account. You have to wait for Chinenye duru to come out and explain for himself. Okay? You have to wait for him to come out and explain things for himself. It's that simple. Are you understanding me now? Now, here how they want to turn it on. Chinenye duru. You see, there is what's called projection. You project what you are doing on others. For instance, now, I'm not gonna use any analogy. I will tell you what I think happened in this issue. Remember, Chinenye duru's problem started when he confronted Hezekiah and said that this thing you have been molesting the children has to stop. All these girls you are putting their pictures on this altar, we know what you are doing with them. This thing has to stop. Wait. If Chinenye duru actually stole all this money, don't you think he would have cleared his account before approaching Hezekiah? He sent Hezekiah confirmed that Chinenye duru sent him a voice note. Why would you not clean your track? Do you mean you know banking and finance more than a banker? You know banking and finance. Now, rather than saying that they arrested Chinenye Duru, put him in police custody even when the court said release him. Rather than saying that they arrested him for this, that they are not saying that he ate their money, and in order to cover up the money he ate, he wants to lie against their daddy. But he is not lying. That is the issue. This is not a lie. Everything is before us. Okay? Are you understanding it?
Secret ni daddy neme. No ya go to expose onye okporo daddy ahụ. No ya mere eji abụgharị ya. Onwe mgbe anya pụtara ndị ebe asị na Victor atụ anya buru ego daddy.
He said he is now pretending that he wants to expose their daddy. That's why they arrested him. But the evidences are there. What do you are doing with women? Some of these guests are already speaking. Even some of them are speaking to a bigger platform I will not mention yet. You are going, BBC will do their own. The other people will still do their own. Hezekiah is coming out on social media very soon. Not just social media. On satellite. Everywhere. National TV. Cable TV, everywhere. The whole medium he is using to brainwash people will be used. This is jiu-jitsu. Okay? This is jiu-jitsu. You take that your opponent's strength and use it against them. That is why somebody can submit another person that is more muscular than he is. Okay? It's a game of moves, intelligence. Every step you must be functioning in multidimensional form. Okay? Multidimensional realms. Everything. If you mistake, see how you go see as I go finish them. I'm coming to where they mentioned me without mentioning my name. Auntie Saba, I see you. You will see it.
Before.
He said, what about Victor Atuanya? When I don't say we talk, say he carry money. What do we have against him? He is speaking against the church. Wait, one day now, when you hear from this Victor Atuanya, you will still hear another thing that made them to chase him away. You will still hear, because anybody that lives, this is the modus operandi. They must come openly in the church and castigate the person in front of their members. Knowing very well that they own whatever is left in their head that parades itself as a brain of their member, that they have closed it with cobwebs. Mentally, they don't reason. These people are under mental and psychological torture. Many of them have been there for 25 years, some 30 years. Some are these new ones that if this kingdom of darkness is not pulled down, they are going to spend there another 30, 35, 40 years. By then, this criminal franchise will be handed to another person. Wait the day where this Hezekiah go pass on, I go see how many people will come dragging property. You will see it. I'm coming.
Okay.
Say they talk about that.
Okay, Najuba.
Okay, Najuba.
And not the moral. That's not at all.
Okay, Najuba, we don't come here. Talk say he carried daddy money. How can Okay Najuba, who is not his account officer, doesn't have access to the church finance, carry money? You see these names they are mentioning, this Okay Najuba, the day you will hear his own side of the story. That if they never buy him. These people get people where they panegate people for their church. So that man should have been criminally indicted a long while ago. People where they panegate people for their church. All these pastors, they get those people.
But I na Okenna Juba na-ekwugide church. Okenna Juba dị immoral. Okenna Juba kpọrọ daddy asị. N'agbanyeghị na ọ kpọnte nwunye n'ọnwụ.
Can you see the lie? That Okenna Juba hates their daddy, even though he raised his wife from the dead. Like, who the hell is talking this and who is he churning this thing into their mouths? Or into their minds, if they have any? Said Okenna Juba hate their daddy, even though he raised his wife from the dead. Can this man raise anyone from the dead? Those of on where they go that church, honor no get sense. This man knows science well. Inside this him, yes, that Diko Wawa mentioned. Person waited on and say, he never take medication before. Say, now Jesus, the healer, this and that. But how he take no medicine where then they take clear vagina to avoid infection? This man go don't carry something, put for somebody nose. The person go collapse. You go to say the person don't buy. That thing there, even for hospital. You see some of all these people where they go carry people, all these wanted people. You get waiting, they go touch you like this, you go do like this. Now they can't know that in my arrest photo. Check and 19 saying they complete. They imagine how in days, 8 hours before. Now this kind of thing, they go don't say somebody, they go took him that thing. When the person fall now, they go tell you, say, oh, may they carry go meet their daddy. You go say, may they leave her. You go do, Person will be say, if rain, they fall for in church. You go tell your church member, say, may then they clap. May then they sing, they clap. Say, you go make the rain fall. Now, so they go clap. When the rain stop, then go they shout, hallelujah. Say, Eli go daddy. Say, don't answer that daddy. Imagine telling you that he raised someone from the dead. What else do you need to hear that to know that this man has been discredited? So for someone to come and tell you that this man raised someone from the dead, are you kidding me? Who are you telling that? Only kind of nonsense. Guys, hit the like button and share the video, please. We are coming. I'm going to share this in our WhatsApp groups.
What's up behind you? I don't know if Okenna Juba would go daddy. Mba.
As you became Bunabo.
I couldn't go to speak a good daddy. Which go, I got one look at the Kubi Haya Maham, Moyaya de shop, or we have put a baby. As you became Bunabo, I said, Nayana Munye Mumatu B. Nakana Gobri Haiku.
You say Azubike Mado. Say what we talk about and say if they live with somebody who I see them, they don't come. Guys, please hit the like button and share the video. Don't they block them? They don't come. Please hit the like button, like and share. They don't come. You see the two bingo, so I just block now. You say Azubike Mado. That guy where then they talk say in they sleep, in they live with another person's wife. Now they are church member. Now their church member where they want spoil his name. They even want make the man not be please those of us where they live in crisis mission. Not be the person where they want make the man the wife leave her. Come join their daddy so they go destroy his family. The woman no agree. They even expel the woman from their church. Oh, that they said your husband is sleeping with another woman in Canada. You didn't do anything. What was you supposed to do? What was the woman supposed to do? Just take your word as you think they are not hearing our message. You think they are not hearing the victims. They know some of these people on these phone calls. They know their voices. They can recognize them. They are seeing some of them, their children have gone through that, but they are too brainwashed to say it out because of touch not my anointed and do my prophet no harm. They will take any part of Bible and misquote it. You didn't see where they condemned some prophet to death in the Bible? Eh? So why didn't you touch my anointed and do my prophet no harm apply there? Eh? He said, why didn't they raise TB Joshua? The question should be, why did TB Joshua even fall sick in the first place? Somebody that sees heaven and sees God. It be like this, they are Deboye. Man will go, they take all manner of injections, come they tell them, say, he go heaven. He even don't see him mansion for heaven. The only this way he never buy himself. Go now, because if you buy yourself, you go lose the mansion. Can you, like, what generation are these people speaking to? In this age of IT? Iri, well done. In this age of information, this is what you are telling people. And you wanna go here, their daddy Hezekiah own. This one, na job, the first come smooth. Hezekiah go come finish him. Hezekiah, like, see the type of thing people are. Oh.
I don't know the church.
Send the speaker against church.
What the immoral?
Send the moral.
Then I was singing that Chinenye do Burego Daddy. If you apart from fixed deposit accounts, what's a carry 10 billion? Then I got a forensic auditor, which here had the whole statement of accounts. Which you will have that is the Hezekiah University salary account, Hezekiah University JUPEP account, Hezekiah University school fees account, cooperative account, Living Christ Mission account. I will book on any weapon from these accounts. So 8 billion, 500 billion. Then
you see, even want to laugh as the church people shout, "Hey, I will go back a little bit. See if you notice it." He said after forensic investigation, everything, they found out that waiting Chinenye do embezzle 8,500,000 and the rest and other fractions. Watch, let me go back, see if you will notice that he almost laughed. Because he knows he's lying, he's laughing because umu bingo. Umu ozu aturu oboro nwura oboro baroka. Are they believing him? What? Just see if you notice it. I'm coming. See if you will notice it. How he, Jen Dalune, watch how he nearly laughed. Pay attention.
Hezekiah University salary account, Hezekiah University JUPEP account, Hezekiah University school fees account, cooperative account, Living Christ Mission account. I will book on any weapon from these accounts. So 8 billion, 500 billion. Then the here. I'm authoritatively.
You see it.
I'm what I know and what India never American. At least I know about the matter.
He said, I'm telling you what I know and all these other people. Other people were there under your daddy Hezekiah. Why don't you wait until Chinenye comes out? Or you give them what they said in court. Give them the full minutes from the court. What you are alleging and his response. Okay? I will try and see if I can find I don't know this man's lawyer. If not, I would have found a way to get down the court document itself and see what's going on. Oh, I know, I see him when in thief. Ask my fellow criminals. Now them be my witness. Can I believe one? Moreover, Umuchuku.
They go mad. But in here, Akia Diocha, which we can hear him. Udele petition against the dance in the Bureki. Omoraha police. Omaha. Oh, you can hear the game. Oh, nice snatching a Uruburego.
You say like he has. If they say Chinenye Duru chop money, if you no chop money, waiting in go do. No be to petition against them or go call. Now inside police when he go there, they do am. Now inside police. Now inside police. Let me block one out. Now inside police, in go there, they do am. Person wanna put for police station. Somebody say make report to God. Now for where na police Igwe we dey. Na police Igwe we dey. Una dey see am. I don't go run too fast. Oh, I don't
Ego mmadu. Maka ihe so aki adi ocha. Umuchukwu ke ihe dịrị ka ihe si ime. Ode petition against ndị ahụ si na eburu ego. Ọgbọrọ ha police. Ọgba ha akwụkwọ. Onye ka ihe si ga-eme. Ọwụ nice na Chinenye diruburu ego. Ka ihe ọ ga-eme. Ọgba na akwụkwọ. Ọgba akwụkwọ. Ode petition na eburu ego. I beg you, I say, Ugo, Amama Ugonna, Ugo Chuku. I mean, I put Ugo, Diga, Ugonna, Ugo Chuku, or Haja. Oh, your Zina Sigibuarego Daddy. They're going to go where they get 5 million naira go where so far. They give us 5 million. We need the money. 2009. Then the message now, another 1 million 80,000.
Don't call another 1 million 80,000.
Oh, they go there. 6 million 80,000. Oh, yours, I say, get the guy. Period. I must maybe Umazu Chinenye Duro. Now, where I'm not.
He said, I don't know where Chinenye Duro followers. When I go here, where you know, they no fear, no degree, they mention my name. I tell you, these people, they're not born in well. You go here, say Chinenye followers. Now me come be Chinenye followers. Now be okay.
No, sir.
For sale.
Before Christmas, on my hair planner, I belong that year.
You see, when I don't say now waiting they plan for our belong that year before Christmas. Now waiting they plan as we approach our 40 years and you dey hear them? You dey hear them? Shebi you dey hear the Ekperima. It because he don't brainwash them. You see how easily he brainwashed them, like twisted their minds, turned off their thinking department. Their shame sensor will talk like, why don't you ask yourself, who made this nigga got 8 million and I'm 8 billion? And poor people are in this church? People are still paying for school fees in his church? From people's money, no tax? Them know the shame. They know get shame sensor. If not, you go to ask yourself, now me for Mugu for this man like this. See him with him bleaching cream woman where he say na they are queen of heaven. See the photo of waiting him give them, tell them say na Jesus. Even though person will add the movie, don't tell them say he no be Jesus. Look at that picture, he put her side by side, his own, and you waiting say you get sense. Medical doctor, engineer, scientist, nurse. You see, Daddy, your God is fighting for you. And
social media.
He said, now why they can't go social media? Let us stand up. Now hear them. Say now why they go for social media?
I love that it's now
your God they speak for you. He said that man where they do sort of, let me finish.
Even one person, just to compromise 16, they like fire.
You see what in the tell them? Say that man for social media. Now me they talk to, but they no born and make you call my name now. He say nobody they answer him. All those people work on the answer him before. Nobody answer him again. The last one when he do now only 16 people. They are now Mochuku where they fire him. Bingo. The last video I did with Yoga got bigger view than the one I did, the second one and the third one I did. Not only the very first one go viral past the last one what I do. And you are there lying to Mwewu. Eh? You are there lying to Mwewu. You say we pass 16. Guys, hit the like button and share the video. Make them know say they go far. Them nobody Igbo to mention the Igbo by name. You say this Okoko. They're not born and where. Why are you lying to this Umwiti? They probably told them not to come on social media. I'm happy that the whole Nkwere all na agbagara one knows all bagara na Nkwere. Ndi Nkwere no now because they suffer for him hand. How many years now? Those of us from Nkwere, how many years will never come back village? How many years person where they live furniture and probably goes for medicals in Port Harcourt anytime where he's sick? According to the report I got, I'm not sure of that one. You see, that one no carry on social media. That man where there for social media no get name. That man where there for social media no get name. Somebody say Ijele check DM. I will check later. Somebody say 18 years. Okay, 15 years. You see, 15 years he never go village. What in the pursue and Nkwere they hear our voice? Le Nkwere la mi Igbo lo di la mandoba. Okay? Nkwere na mi Igbo lo di la mandoba. I know you very well. Many people for your village know me. In fact, the Imo State Chief of Staff is from your place. Imo State Chief of Staff is for Chief Anyehe. Chief Nnamdi Anyehe Jr. is from your place. So, the church where they talk about self, my family name, they there. We they represent. Okay? Alright? The day where them open SS John and Paul Nkwere from all Saints Anglican Church, now from there we take off. In fact, people, we wear our vest. I carry many vests that day, even that some of my friends. I even give Mama Cheese around one that time. Where would they go church? Yes. So where do you want to tell me from Nkwere Onyushi? Let me go back so you hear him. Oh, what kind on social media? No, Muchuku no na fire. Which Muchuku di na fire on the man? The ones where you send don't learn now. Eh? The ones where you not send, this don't learn. They don't learn. They come here, see, they hear reasoning and common sense, and they hear from the victims. And let me finish it. You see their daddy Hezekiah. After they don't smooth job for him, he can't do the finishing. Yeah, let's continue. Nobody. They listen. Even
one person. Also, some brother compromise 16. They like go muchuku na fire.
Now that do this.
Say your living Christ mission. How many camera ya daddy Hezekiah? And
they even make people know living Christ mission. They even make people know who be daddy Hezekiah. Then why they pepper you? Why do you have the need to stop your criminal session, your robbery session, which is what you call your service? You na abandonment the service. Why he pepper you so you bring? It's not in there. You know it doesn't touch us. So it's like what is it? You know that it be like person where they don't punch finish for fight. They got the ask them what happen. You don't get what you do, me. All those he punch me like Mumba punch. You don't forget say tears they come out from my eye. You know me, not even this eye when close, you go soon open. Now so my eye they do. You know, oh, you know they pepper you and you felt the urge to stand and make statements. How many minutes? How many minutes you take talk about the injection will not they collect online? I go share this voice note from WhatsApp group later.
41 years kind of that day.
Say you go 41st year. You see people who don't bring to you. Yeah.
Okay, begin. Okay, we see. Abro Macron make expose. Okay, with the guy. Daddy, thank you, sir.
Yeah. You don't come. Yeah, that is. My children listen. Yeah. When I listen.
That you know
you see the emotional blackmail. This one and that they suffer things. So if not be because of side, no God, they say, hey, emotional blackmail. Let me replay it. So you hear it.
Okay, with the guy. Daddy, thank you, sir.
My son, na lawyer fit you. Because he don't consume to the brain of Ndara. Go with the hammer now. Go watch here.
Amen.
Listen.
Again. That you know na gabiga you. Owe buga na machuku. Kedi ya na ebu ndum kwere mambasi mere mmadụ ya da.
He said, waiting the accused person where they accuse me. Nkwere people say, because they know you very well. Nkwere na guy men and they know guy men where they see them. They know you very well. Why have you not been going to Nkwere like you used to go before? Shebi before, if you pass for Nkwere, then they throw clothes for you for road. Now when you go there, now let your church members where you they brainwash, go they do that one for you. Nkwere people now know who you are.
I call police from Zone 9, be my arrest.
They call police for Zone 9.
3,000 years, Yana. Abacha has sent that police to make my arrest from Benin. But most times, happy memories, as we want to see Eskabiam Chike, and my Iri comment. Iri Akwam Pata. Say, Kedi Job. Akawaram. I want to hear the both of them.
Say, never give it to the Nova accuse them of. Just listen.
Especially when you are Corona, make a chance make one. My spirit up no. All the
you say this person where they were calling Nemeka. Now that one where they one made the wife saga liver. Where no agree say but he and the wife. I believe that's the one he's referring to. Say my spirit don't come out for where your wife did. It's a good thing for his guy spirit to come out from you. If boy come out for your body, you they cry a bit they happy. If you get rid of any disease or infection, you they cry a bit they happy. This man a virus. Na serious virus. Oh, the woman is supposed to be crying. Because you don't worry, you hear him and we will go back to the very first 6 to 10 minutes of yes, that. For you to understand the type of person you are dealing with. See how their manipulations work.
Very wicked and ungrateful.
Say very wicked and ungrateful, okay.
Oh, when you are on a bank, could you believe on that? And then when you change plan here, I plan on Yana, a welcome because Emehani, a China's said their voice at Abraham. Now, to fight, Mama Namu Hezekiah, why Hezekiah?
You see, he say wetin Chinenye do now on top of my money. Also, now your money no be God money again. Okwu ego. Only Igbo no okwu no ego ka igeji man only Igbo dey I didn't know very serious with you. Okwu ego. Oh, no be God's money again. Now your own money no be God's money again. Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Thank you, at least. Hezekiah, I'm happy you have said it with your own mouth. Let this Umu Okoko understand that I've been right all along. I don't tell you, first fruit harvest na pastor get am. Seed na pastor get am. Tithe na pastor get am. People wey want make God bless them na pastor get am. People wey dem bless na pastor get am. People wey dem bless last week na pastor get am. People wey dem go bless this month na pastor still get am. Harvest and bazaar na pastor still get am. Then you go see deacons wey dey collect their own share, and that bụ no na percentage. You see how he is telling you with his own mouth and rotten tongue that is ego. He knows say God money. And why didn't he tell Angel Gabriel or Angel Raphael or Uriel or Michael when he say na his senior? He say na Michael senior for heaven. Ask the people where they go in church. Now the kind of thing where like see the brain damage where this man they giving people. True.
Can you warning? You actually fight him. Send them a message. Send them a
bring the message. He said, Chinenye send a message, send to Oni, that if them two go court, he go see what he go do. Publish it, let's see. Publish the full message. Let's see. Shebi send a voice note. Play it, share it in your church WhatsApp group. Or they don't go block their church WhatsApp group, make people know they comment. Why you wanna go block Umuchuku where people wanna call Umuchuku from commenting in your WhatsApp group? Because you know then they bring evidence. All these voice notes why I play now from their WhatsApp group if I come. True. Okay, say Angel Michael is his twin brother. Hey, Chineke. He hope now if him bring all this gossip, me I go run inside because of him. But my hands are, they say, clean. If you go agwangi no ya na kuzuru umuazu nursery school. Onye kuzi say Obi say bye. Onitsha is in Anambra. Capital of Lagos is Ikeja. Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. Now it umuozu. The chorus.
Don't have any skeleton in your cupboard.
You say don't even have skeleton in your cupboard. Okay. You don't just have skeletons in your cupboard. You have full human beings massacre. You have, if they begin cut this man, give her one short cut for any girl where he put in 2 fingers for their body before 5 minutes. This man, all of him body go cut, he go bleed out. He go bleed out. Oh, they've reported you.
One thing I'm Victor Nukogo, whom basically now we are university.
He say he go tell bank, say na him be Victor Nukogo. Say this one Okoko, na him be Victor Nukogo. Then Chinenye Duru na Hezekiah. Say na him get the school. How can Chinenye Duru who they work for bank? Person where they work for bank, they get in NIN, they get everything. In biometric, they there. All of his biometrics, the IO, the fingerprints, they there. Now him go come, they claim your name. In what way? Like, is this possible? Is this possible? Who no Randy Hezekiah? Who no Randy Hezekiah? Now they tell them say, oh, him come they tell them say, now him be Randy Hezekiah. Him come be Victor Onukog. Well, I give Victor Onukog. But I doubt Chinenye will go and be. How can Chinenye be telling people say him be who he no be when he go throw his ID? A banker? You don't know say he get some things to unlock him. You need in biometrics to unlock him for their bank. So you go, man, these people self.
The police Isiagu who owns that university. That's a woman. We want it.
Say no be.
They don't make eligible for everything.
Yeah. At the tank of everything. You say that in enemies plan against me. God turn it to blessing. God turn and to blessing you where they rarely see. Come they come out every time. Come they defend us. BP gay boogie. No peace for the wicked. Onye mmehie enweghị udo n'ụwa, obi ya enweghị udo. Egbe eluigwe bịa n'elu, obi awị gị n'afọ. Iwu ndị polisi n'ụzọ, obi awị gị n'afọ. Iwu ndị jiri ọkụ wee gbuo, obi awị gị n'afọ. Mmehie bụ ya, enwere amụma aka nsị. Kwa shọkọ ka ya mma, ọwụ mmehie butere ya. Bịa ka isoro ọkpara Chukwu kụwa dịrị gị mma. Kwere n'aha Jizọs kụwa dịrị gị mma. Onye mmehie enweghị udo n'ụwa, obi ya enweghị udo. Hezekaya enweghị udo n'ụwa, obi ya enweghị udo. Facebook live ụgba, obi awị gị n'afọ. Iwu gbebiri posta, obi awị gị n'afọ. Hezekaya, ị ga-ahụ ịwa. Akwa ịhụrụ gị. Aka ga-emecha mụọ gị ọkụ. Ụmụazị niile epitocha. Don't worry, ọ ga-ekili ndị a n'anya na. Ọ ga-ekili these people n'anya. Ọ ga-ekili ha n'anya. Ị ga-afụ ihe ibere onwe gị. Don't worry, let's continue.
Ọmụ Marachi na-eme gịnị na-efe maka gịnị? Ọ onye na-egwu olu na-eme gịnị? Emeka Agụma, ha plan nọ. Ha kpụrụ ndị ọtụtụ organization na Nigeria. Na oge ruwe na ga-eme m arrest. Na m ga-anọ na detention. Egba Christmas. Ka ebe mgbe ọgba ha raise ka ego ahụ dum a na-erezi. Na-agbagharị.
Excuse me, understand what he told them. That they told people. See how he is trying to justify keeping that guy in police detention throughout the Christmas, New Year. 11th of this month will make it exactly 1 full month. 1 calendar month. That guy has been in detention. He said, oh, Marachi Nefe, know the God you are worshiping. If anybody is digging a hole, he will be the one to enter into that hole. You see, they plan to put me in jail. They said they spoke to many organizations. That was why they were raising that money they were raising. You mean somebody you said has your 8 billion needs to raise money from people to fight you in court? Huh? Somebody you said took your 8 billion. The same person is raising money to get the fuck out of here. Come on, who are you telling that nonsense? Eh? Who are you telling that? Who go buy that nonsense? See this fuckery canto. You detain me. Waiting what did I do? My children. He shows some people they call me daddy, but they don't know who I be. We know you. Oro Mazi, or we Akanike, Kerekero Mazi Akanike. Ojina Munye Madu, we have the evidence. See the call Nari. Not they shout the man on social media. Go court, tell them, say the man for social media say this call Nari, and you say na fake. Shebi, you say, what you supposed to do? No be to go write petition. Okay, petition the idea against me now. Petition no agree you right. Oh no, Shako give me my photo. It's not in today's world that somebody whose hands are not clean will be intimidating people. Who the fuck are you? Who gave you that power? Eh? Who gave you that power? Oh.
Daddy.
Say people they call and daddy.
My children, Daddy, I love you.
He said, the people where I say, my children, you see the kind of where they sing for them. When they say, my children, they will sing Ezibo, Daddy, I love you. Oh, Nime Jesus can do thee. Abu Nime Jesus can do thee. Abu no lebe Nime Jesus. Ewo Nime Jesus lebe Nime Jesus can do thee. Now I know say na true. Say life dey inside Jesus. When then they talk I no. I say, this one why I like women. No be to go they provoke God. This and no say na that place where people will like women the day. 2 careers are missed in this life. 1, becoming a policeman. 2, becoming a pastor. Like say I know say na so people mumu. Kai! I overestimated people's intelligence. I grossly overestimated people's intelligence. I didn't know in a million lifetimes that people would be believing this nonsense. Hey, I'm coming.
Meeting have disgraced me. And I know how many meeting. How many come to Lagos?
He said they do.
Now go to press. They
know they call press. They wait for.
So that those who go back are one in the point. I got too far.
They went too far. See them in the church.
On the press. The many arrangement now Gabia.
Say they call the press. Say they go carry and go Lagos. Say his car must come so time. He must come. This and that. So these people, somebody say nice to meet you today. These people now, when you say the press people, where they do arrange. Why are we the only people talking about it if those people actually arrange press people? Why are we the only people discussing this publicly? Many people are discussing it in his village. His ex-church members, those that are close to all these victims, they know this, they are discussing it, but the only public platform discussing it is here. Why haven't those newspaper houses chimed in? Why haven't they chimed in? Hey, brainwash.
The press is everywhere. And they
say they are waiting.
Lagos. Tranya Kabatanam Gizit or Malicha.
Isiagu. He say he send the message say Lagos too far. Say make them come down. Say he go send Omaricha like he's too big to talk with. Then Omaricha go be this one now. Those living crisis mission recover the bingos of living crisis mission. No be this one be him current Omaricha now. Please tell us in the comment section. No be this one now be the reigning Omaricha. Omaricha means beautiful. And a pet name where you they call Igbo woman where you love. You understand? Okay? And you know say this man love pet names. You saw him on Yes Daddy now where you say, okay, call me 3 names. Then call her sis. He dey sweeter. He dey Okay? He said, please bring evidence with your fake account. Let me block you first. Let me block you first. Are you hearing it now? I am going to share the voice note in our... He said the people, anybody that God is with, nobody can be against if God be for you, no one can be against you. Okay, now see that. Which means they've been standing up since then. Like, where are these people from? Where are these people from? They've been standing up since then. Eh? Kai. Oh, Chim. That's it. Now, this same person, hear him. I want to play the beginning of Yes Daddy. He started where he told them that he told the woman, hope you saw the 500,000. Hear the beginning of Yes Daddy for you to know that this man has multiple characters, multiple personalities. He knows the one to present at any particular time. At any given time, he knows the role he needs to play. He's playing a role, of course. He knows he's scamming you people. Hear the thing now, hold on.
Hey, how about you?
Papa, I'm fine. Good evening, sir.
Please, I need people to be keeping count to this thing. Mind you, Papam, Daddy, Dadim, Obim, Mpa, na the same thing. All of them are Yes Daddy me. So let's start again. Count how many Yes Daddy way person wife they give her.
Hey, how about you?
Papa, I'm fine. Good evening, sir.
Credit to the 500.
Yes, Daddy.
Yes, Daddy too.
Remember, we executive and I be at that advice.
Daddy, I'm fine.
I'm messaging now. I Ishi singing.
Yes, Daddy.
So no matter what, don't worry. I told them to okay.
Yes, Daddy.
No matter the situation, to go on the throne.
Yes, Daddy.
I told me that you were Gigi.
Yes, Daddy.
How him did where I come on way ma. I must I will go come and I'm actually go much.
Yes, Daddy.
What I go, oh, when them see a trauma at all, Macau. I knew people mama involved.
Yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy.
Yes, Daddy. We are at 10 Yes Daddies now. Ofunkechi. One rule of Yes Daddy 10. You don't forget, so please remind me. He asked the woman, hope the credit is up to 500, which is 500,000 naira. She said, yes, that you see the way she laughed. Now I can't tell her and say, that judgment where they want to do. Say, no, if I say, one cent person, now make those like what made the story from one hand enter another hand. You see him? Say now why 1 cent the other person when you mentioned the name. Say because say gossip they play. How they give a Yes Daddy. How many we don't count now? 10 Abi. Okay. Don't worry now. Make we hear them.
Maybe I boy when that Mother go to Bwana, he got home when Yaga say yesterday that is Kababu Mother Ted.
Yes,
Daddy. Church, you put it now, no, but keep wage you.
Yes, Daddy.
A question when I call, so I am
12 years Daddy now. He said, say, I know one crowd. He get some people where them cause. Say devil get handwork now. They get people where they use work. Now why one too much crowd there? He say you go even see some of them where they go see the con church, but they believe that thing. Alex or go exit and come back. There's a volume there. Guys, can you hear me? Can you people hear me? I hope you're hearing me. Let me know in the comment section. You hear what he's saying? That those people, those people are coming to church. They will be coming, but they believe it. Which means he is He is aware that many people in his church are very, very alive to what he's doing. Okay? He knows that many people in his church are well alive to his scams. Are you understanding it? We are on number 12. Yes, Daddy. Okay.
Sense.
Yeah,
I'm not really for the Mutuku na Wali, a Bakaliki branch.
Yes, Daddy.
But they get to tell where he had to run, Munye. Thank God, the need to Munye Naka.
Yes, Daddy.
When he learned a choker worship way.
Yes, Daddy.
A room man, they still a keep putting me top secret.
Yes, Daddy.
I can now do the boss with you, my one. Yes,
Daddy.
So, man, he get a tea or 2 years, she may show me to quick na Bakaliki.
Yes, Daddy.
Barbara dedication.
Yes, Daddy.
Or not by hero, but by name, your dad, I pump me. Away in until only her bamba. Before, after I put a children, year 1. As the market, the Batambo Abali room to again when they jawa.
Yes, Daddy.
Hey, I will be before a bag of Bobble in London, or one name, okay. One day, Pop be meaning book for Miliaga. You know, people told the in a year off.
Yes, Daddy.
Mamu Dr. Wando, educated video to war. So, where can Mama Chile get to room para? Oh, Buraha Pine gave her not coaching with Wahania. Have they finished the other hand?
Naturally, use the gossip to this girl. Long go this woman. Long before this issue happened.
Even on the Garadia. No, 2 days, they were on.
Yes, Daddy.
You will idea this story.
Yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy. Some Gabriel.
Very done, me. Would tell I show you in your going of Lalawa.
Yes, Daddy. Yes.
So, my hand, I have the jockey there. I said, I'm not there. The tender any bema has made the sharamia.
Yes, Daddy.
But it's you na Sammy.
Oh, Jesus.
When you're a Kuda, when you're na Sokalawa, or when we are one car, na Chinasa, the Bedia player has a vibration issue.
Hey,
is your way. 20 here. I pretend.
He say, she be the person where they say they talk. The gossip where they use the gossip, they get the gossip. Say the time where that Chinenye Duru mama die. Now so they not make everybody do it. Now the wife go can't they do anything, they control. And some people can't they gossip the woman for her hand. Say some people when they call Chinasa, they say Chinasa no be that one. We go buy vibration machine. Now this woman, not this one that they buy, we want use replace us now. Now be waiting in the call vibration machine. No, very local man. Very local man. See what the way what a pastor that says he's sleeping with God and the angels. He travels to heaven every time. Look at what he's opening his mouth and telling a woman. Vibration machine. You they say they talk to and preach matter for phone. I think say na Holy Spirit. I don't tell her. If you are looking for the fruit of the womb, please reach out to Ijele Evangelical International Outreach. You know course. You know course. Alright? Now church business I go to enter. No worry.
Because my mother knew the truth.
Hey.
And even that day we support them. Hey. One year line about so how they course or chip now, Oya may Kinasa. vibration machine.
He said the guy, don't forget saying na interchinasa and make he come buy vibration machine, a vibrator. You see him? Ijele, your church account number, please. Inbox me. No, I don't get any treasurer, and me be my treasurer, and I be my financial secretary. No go, no let anybody chop God money. Oh, this one I God money, no be my money. Unlike Hezekiah, we cry about money.
Yeah, happen yeah. The only thing the banana is a tashirio. So you know, Ghana no banana that can affair that weird. And I don't do for the clothes so I hang it. So we put the God up no where Umunne get him letter. That's why he didn't like a married resource.
Hey,
Come on here that thought you know. How you get to them way Uche Jurong.
yes, Daddy. Yes,
Why am
Daddy.
I kidding? Saga hate my mom.
Hi.
Who knows it? My mom said vibration machine. America. It is able in the use and the matter not the weekend.
Hi.
I am an injury. For the new may dilemma for a gypsy.
You see, what he said and tell her that he can't they tell the woman. Meanwhile, they still get case day where they want to judge the case. I want to see how after this voice note, he go gather people again, one can judge the case. Case where they go judge for church. Now he call the woman. He they call her mama. Why he go they call the woman mama? If they know the knack. Ijele speaks, now me be financial secretary, I never get, no, they hold this mission from going forward though. Once it starts, this one go they pursue financial secretary, this one go they go treasurer. Nobody want be Holy Spirit direct. You see, you they hear the thing. And they tell the woman, then go still come judge the case publicly. You they come, don't worry.
So no, I give free.
Yes, Daddy, I give put it here. I can put it in pa.
Yeah, camera watching after last night. 1 million encourage also vibration machine. But they said that even Amamasu no dealing gas attire is a tarano or permanent gas. So, but to make you will be here.
Yes, Daddy.
Yes, Daddy. 35. Please remind me. 35. 35. You hear that? He said, but do like say you never hear anything, no, like I never tell you anything. Why would the pastor be calling a party to a dispute from behind? And you are claiming to be hearing from God. You see, I'm not gossip. This man must be praying for God. Nobody pay for gossip past this pastor. So make them know the one where person they talk and the one where they know they talk. Yeah.
Yes, I say, whatever my name, yeah. And I am a fan. One year, we have been on my mind about it. Okay, good naturals in this church.
Yes, Daddy.
One more empty soon, she get
hi, I'm a biagere. I'm a biagere.
Because maybe I'm not meant and go be here that big one.
Yes, Daddy.
Yeah, look at the put the sauce, the oil way. So that 50 because things happen only young recommendation to use way. But I make it that time when you could even only the mother name a vibration machine only sing our time.
Mobakwe and Kitty, oye, me, what am I chairman and the youth, so I'll become my wedding game, but when I give Kuroku, but oh, you know, walk on my phone, na office side, and I'll speak a comedy, and
she said, the person will tell him about that vibrator. Now the youth leader, like, why youth leader and the church member go there? They are not discussing anointing, Holy Ghost, missionary work. Na vibrator. Na vibrator. According to Randy Hezekiah, he said na vibrating machine. How the pastor take know wetin be vibrator? if you know they go that site. Person where do they do things of the world? Do you know when I first saw that thing and when I first knew it was existing? Do you know? Eh? Yes, daddy. Yes, that. We there 42.
Okay, no chono. Oh, the man na kwamsemu no I'm the too young. Mama, the mama metimaka for a year plus. No bo na macho working. Nam jogo te even no their vibration machine. You quadrable artificial penis. Which is the tenia. You say artificial penis.
I can na work the local. Why the local government? Yeah, what to do, man? Say if you know, even call him at me. He say how your husband go leave you over 1 year, and you there, no man they touch you. He say make I call by. He don't even call him vibration machine. He call him artificial penis. Kai, Ndi Igbo mad. Ndi Igbo mad. Nda atago ndi bai. Nda bu ndi bai ni Ishi na anad. Ndi Igbo mad. I'm telling you, these people don't buy people. He say he don't even call him vibration machine. He call artificial penis. 42 years daddy, so don't worry.
Again, the PK when you all the banana speaker. What's a move go tell an area, man, area, dick a drug. No, you may
chairman.
You're chairman in the youth, so die. Yeah.
Chairman of the village youth.
Yes, daddy. Yes, daddy.
45.
Due to one actor, the Sunday Putara. The following way, someone planted 2 streets. A man got your homework, I do a time that or a chewe. I sent the 2 months of Puta.
Yes, daddy.
4 months of Puta.
Yes, daddy.
A bullet to 4 months Puta. When your mother could Puta. Yeah, I want you may border. Every go Putawa, Ishi to Baraman top. And here, Jabuano.
I
said, no, that he may be your Kamuka.
Oh, yeah, no.
Following the number of below
46.
Share now, happy about the yes, and no. And that film, every day, may comment there. So, all time we follow my footsteps.
Child.
What do poison very well?
Yes, daddy.
What do poison after you go lawyer that the bad
no, me makwa okpu bezoku na quarter de ka siga na dey change. Na dey change.
I'm very, very happy you KD. But I need to say, I told you the other day, they got ya.
Yes, daddy.
I drop all this.
Eziokwu mpam ai mchikwa mmobi ase ya gwage na achọrọ m ịbịa o ya kwuo ya n'iru. Achọrọ m ka ekwuo ya n'iru n'iru. Ọ na o mechara gwa eze maka ya.
Muna due to the town no the board. Achọrọ m ịbịa drop boy. But on baby no na ha kwuru na we na I give me the implicate from a Bakiliki branch. Show him the daddy.
Yes, daddy.
Before I know we make him more source of food in corridor here. I said, I'm bad, I'm a burial. Now here would be too much. I will my man start believing and I'll stand to the fact. So I am going to say, body die. The more him to body day. Sabam no do rotten and Jebo will be here. You do rock, I say, I know who give in that bear. You follow no dear, I know here. We do the queers and many na battle get the board. Now give me many cricket. So him the targets the camera with.
Hi, Jesus. No,
Yes, daddy.
The woman come the after all the gege way he talk. He tell the man say na 55 will day now remind me 55. Then he come tell her say 18 no but he say tomorrow na our D-Day. Now ask yourself, D-Day for baptism, confirmation, Ishi or na theology. Say then here waiting their daddy tell her.
In a quadrant appointment time.
Yes, daddy.
You see how he serious they talk, see they talk. This in our quadrant appointment time. See how you lower his voice. In how they prepare our appointment now. Person where they hammer you see to get power. To get power. Say if they prepare our appointment, let's go back now so you see it. Let's go back. 5509 Udele. Let me go back a little. In our quadrilla appointment, I hear him.
The more him the body day. Sabam no do rotten and jebo will be here. Chinese do Garciano who gave Gaina Bear. Do follow not there, I know here. We will do the queers and many in a battle get the board. I gave a many cricket. I am the target the camera with.
Hi. Jesus.
Yes,
daddy.
Come on, in a quadrant appointment time.
Yes, daddy.
We are the 56 years that see how she lower mouth. See how she just lower mouth. They talk. I thought yeah, wait till you tell her that we miss 2 days that do 58. 57, we meet 58 years that please, you people can help me count. I'm losing that count. I don't want to be counting. Let me concentrate on this one. You hear it? He say, I hope you don't prepare. I say, you don't take what the target time. You check am way. He tell the man, why, but to see it, but to about the cheap. Very only he say, he was even just spark. I mean, he said, I don't even go spark, go arrange them. He get video I send you. Let me go back so you people will hear. Please, someone take the contract of counting the years that we did on 58. This one, you go command the last 2 where she go talk. Hold on. You go hear what she tell the man.
Come on, in a quadrant appointment time.
Yes, daddy.
You give me a you're going to put mother's feet. He's quadrant cup happy years down.
Yeah, no spa, Mr. Mad.
You hear him? He did not deny seeing the video. He said he gave video where I send you, where I there for spa, where they clean her toto. He said, I see that thing. That thing na clinic. He said no, na spa. Where they go, they clean. See the video now. The truth is that this man acknowledged receiving the video. Oh, I see the woman. See the woman inside the spa something. Inside, no be the woman be this. No be the woman be this. No be she be this. See the toto where they wax am for her. No be she be that. Ebengana. You dey hear the song. Everybody. Where they video yash for them to send to their pastor. Leave me. Where then the video to give pastor any gwedire any gwedire then any gwedire. You dey see her. Heaven is real, now they sing, and the heaven where they talk about no past that center of excellence. You dey see him? He did not deny it. Eh? Don't have record discussion artificial intelligence. Now, you don't even know what is artificial intelligence. Instead, when they say something where the doctor, know the doctor, you don't even know what is artificial intelligence. Look at the man said it himself that he see the Igbo. You know, make I no even cut this thing halfway. You go here when they tell the woman how to snap picture, how to take picture. Okay? To avoid forgetting, let me even send this last voice note we play today to the WhatsApp groups. Oh, no only one I feel send them. And they come. 11. I'm coming. 12. And they come. Una dey see una pastor. Una fugo pastor unu. Pastor Remigius. Na-eri minata nwunye mmadụ. Remigius na-eri minata ndị nwunye mmadụ. Ndị pastor. You dey hear your pastor, I don't send them to the WhatsApp groups. Una dey hear una pastor so? Eh? Una dey hear una pastor so? Sorry, make I lower this thing. Shebi una don dey hear una pastor. Eh? So my people, make it no be say we just dey lie against person. This man na Ikpedima, ezigbo crook. Serious kirigo anini toto anini Igbo deriki Igbo. Una dey say I saw some requests before. Let me check. You don't expire. Paparazzi, your request don't expire. The other person, I don't even see the name. Please, anybody that wants to contribute should come up immediately. Because I'm going to wrap it up small time. You know, I dey chop something as I want to talk like this now. Be like say my jaw shift. I don't even know how I chop this now. Mbana Barago na Brazil. Which kind name be that one? Eh? Native doctor in a shrine called church coach. By their precious blessing. Now so now waiting would they see? Now waiting would they see? Nicodemus. Nicodemus, they said in the Bible, Nicodemus approached Jesus by night. This Nicodemus, now by night, they tell the maiden, they send them people children for up 12 years, 13 years, 14, make it they put finger into their toto. You see, you say no, Olamide. Olamide. Hey, Ola pupo. Ona ala shi no ike. Ona ala nuku. Ola iton, ona ito at the same time. You see, shebi una don't see una pastor. Shebi una don't see her. Where the woman they tell her say don't go work. If this man Hezekiah know the you and your Emeka go, if nobody didn't know now, they no born on our way to come they carry me go. If not, we go prove her. All I know say we go prove her. Let's hear from Auntie Sabo. All I know say we go prove her to any end. Hello, Auntie Sabo.
Ijele one.
Auntie Sabo, good evening.
I'm serious. This. Lord, I'm serious. Even people on the streets, no room to reach this one. People constantly on the street, the likes of the bad boys, they don't do reach this. And these are men that they are claiming they are God's appointed, they are God's apostle. And they will come on the altar, they will come and lie and lie and lie. Ijele, please, this is really sad. I'm serious. I don't even, that's the woman, that is a bulk of wahala. But the kids that are involved, aside of, because I'm trying to send this, those voice notes to some people around here. But in Nigeria, please, what are the things we can do about this thing? I'm serious. We need to move. We need to move and create awareness. At least, even if the pastors will not be sent to jail, at least parents will be sensitized, because unfortunately it's the parents that are driving these young kids to these lions, to their den. And by the time there is a lot of awareness, because we need to there must be awareness. It's not only this idiot pastor that is involved. There are lots of them. There are countless of them. They are still committing all this atrocity. And by the time, I'm sure by the time this awareness, there are more awareness, lots of people will also be willing to come out. And again, parents too will be weary of where they take their kids to in the name of church. They will be wary because unfortunately a lot of women, a lot of girls' lives have been destroyed. It's been destroyed beyond imagination. Imagine, see the level of decadence, see the level of decay in the society. Young girls, they can merely be having sex on the streets in the broad daylight in Nigeria. Even abroad, safe. The madness going on among the youths, there is still high level of decorum here. Before you can see things like that, you will have to go to some zones or some weird neighborhood. You can't just sit there. Well, literally is littering everywhere on our streets. Unfortunately, I read that the rate of HIV/AIDS and other STD going on in Nigeria is crazy, scary.
Among children, mostly among children.
Among children, innocent children, and these are the GO that infected all these young kids. These are the criminals in Kasok that have destroyed this life, that the destruction can never be reverted again in life. Never. Never. There is no medication. Unfortunately, we are not yet to that level in Nigeria. Please, Ijele, what can we do? How can we create more awareness? Because we thank you for what you're doing. I'm serious, Ijele. A whole lot of us cannot bring out our face like with this boldness. We don't have it. But we have that desire, that burning desire to join you in this cause. To join you in whatever way we can. Please, Ijele, my heart is bleeding for these young kids that does not have anybody to cry out for them. Young kids that their destiny has been destroyed just because they went, their parents took them to church to go and be mentored by a lion who took advantage of them and destroyed them. Taught them nonsense and also infected them with diseases that you can never revert. Please, Ijele, please.
My sister,
I don't mind.
Don't worry, we are already on it. I will send you a voice note as I drop now because I'm wrapping up. I will send you one voice note.
My heart is bleeding. Thank you so much for what you're doing. God will keep you. God will keep you, you and your family. Thank you so much.
Amen. Thank you. Well done. That's our auntie Sabo. Somebody so good is live and talking about you. I finished them yesterday for Gist with Steve program yesterday. Now she's supposed to cry. Hello, one day.
Good evening.
Yeah,
1 minute. My little man about
miracle. So my people, Now the thing, you know, where they talk about these people, we not just they criticize them without reason. Okay? Go ahead, one. Thank you for the 20 stars. Go ahead, bro.
Good evening to everyone. Just like Auntie Sabu has said, you know, and I wish parents of our generation or younger parents or parents who are within the 40s and early 40s or mid 40s, they need to come up and speak their truth, and they need to learn. Because at the end of the day, these are bridges of trust. The same way would want to send our little ones to school and have them come back. Same way they want to go to churches, and you know, if I try to say my little sense, people might think I'm a sort of not a Christian. But if anyone can understand, the God they are preaching about is a fiction. That is why they are bold, going about. You know, that's the honest truth. You know, because at the end of the day, I don't even want to put out my thoughts or opinion out there. Everyone should deal with theirs. But one thing that is convincing is if they truly know there's consequences, or that the God they are preaching, you know, they wouldn't go about doing these things. And and at the end of the day, now let me go back to the amount. I think every Nigerian should know what 8 billion is. We're not talking about 8 million. I mean, now there's something that got me laughing. He said it is only Rally Hezekiah as a signatory to that account. So how can someone fraudulently move up to the tune of 8 billion when it's not a signatory to the account? You know, these people, and they could see these are damage control, and unfortunately, members of his congregation, I don't know their intellectual capacity, but I can see these are, you know, the downtrodden, those who have been hypnotized. You know, like even when I was quite young, one thing I don't really agree is to kneel down and any man of God to place their hands on my head, because most of them, to be honest, they don't even understand what they're doing. You know, so all they are doing,
don't even know where they put the hands they want to lay on you.
That is it. You know, and most of these members, like I said last time regarding this issue, he's not alone. You know, and not like this thing is alone in Nigeria, but people, when it comes, you know, the funny aspect with us as Nigerians, once it has to do with any man of God, everybody switch off. You know, everybody switch off. These are areas people need to pay more attention, because they are putting out a reputation, you know, defiling
that's not there.
ones that's not there. And if people know their true character, they would even be
By themselves.
What is going on. You know, this is just one amongst many. They are all over the place. They're all over the place, and parents need to be more careful with their young children, with their teenage children. And most of us today, we can start accusing, you know, young ladies of, oh, they are wayward, they are this, they are that. If they sit down to tell you their stories and their journey, you know, one can appreciate that is, you know, why they are the way they are. And who knows how many people this guy has taken out, you know, with
this year, talk about from June to December last year.
And I wish the relevant authorities will stop taking sides with this God of men. This calls for a proper investigation and a me too. You know, at the end of the day, there's no point. Because what I'm saying is, I don't know if I can't remember the name of this Catholic priest. He was a priest in Nigeria. You know, was being protected by his parish, abusing kids. He went to America. Unfortunately, he did the same thing, and the law caught up with him because the family he went and molested. This is a family that took him in because he went to do some further studies.
Missionary work.
Yeah, and abused their young daughter, and the daughter told the mom called the police. People shouldn't take my word for it. Google the Nigerian priest, you know, jailed in America. There are more than 3 of them, but one is a popular story. And this guy is notorious for it when he was in Nigeria. But they keep covering every of his track, rather than, you know, accusing his victims of being possessed or this or that. But, you know, that same thing took him to when he went to America. He did the same thing. Today he's in jail. Why am I saying all this? Personally, I don't have anything against any faith. All I'm saying, let your humanity come first. Let your human intelligence come first. My brother, thank you so much. And I wish, you know, most media houses will be bold to do a documentary. It wouldn't cost, you know, like BBC, but these are areas they need to cover, not like going to interview Bianco Juku and opinion on whatever. These are areas they need to provide hotlines for victims to call in. And at the end of the day, if they want victims to come with sworn affidavits, let them come with sworn affidavits. Let them, you know, put these things on the front burner. We're talking about this like today. I don't want to go back today in America. There are some cases that is being called up for being investigating. And these things happened 20 years ago, 30 years ago. Even when you look at most of the
Jeffrey Epstein.
Not even Jay-Z now. Jay-Z now is even on the hotline. You know, so many things are coming up. Yeah, all of them is coming up, you know. My brother, thank you so much.
No, I have to leave because I got a call. I didn't know that George Galloway is almost 7 minutes in. I've missed the 7 minutes. Guys, please, you know, like I said, I don't want to discuss what is happening in that country, submerged amongst Jordan, Syria, and Egypt. I don't live with Lebanon. That I don't want to discuss it on Facebook, and I need to go join George Galloway. I implore you to just go to YouTube, just type George Galloway or Mother of All Talk Shows. Join it. I will be on there. I think it will be on until 12 Nigeria time, midnight. I'll be watching it. You may see my comment there. Thank you so much, my people. Please let's go to YouTube or even Facebook. You can see George Galloway. Just type George Galloway. George, then Galloway. You join us there. Let me go and sharpen my geopolitical insights in that area of the world. I love you all and have a wonderful night's sleep. Stay blessed. See you all tomorrow morning.